So hello and welcome back to yet another video. This is your channel code Adda and I'm your programming trainer Piyush Khan Mishra, an SDE and a programming educator in Newton School. Welcome to the yet another video of the Python series from noob to pro. In this video we are going to talk about input in the Python, input function in the Python. So I hope you are following this series from the start. If you have not watched the series, the last two videos, then please do watch and do subscribe to our channel code Adda. So before going further to this video, I just want to introduce you with a great grand contest that will be going to organized by the Great Newton School on this 27th of August, and this is absolutely free of cost, and you will get a chance to win worth rupees 5 lakh cash prizes or and the goodies and also some certificates and all. If you are a female and you are interested in the programming background, if you're interested in the coding, then there's a special prize for the female candidates who will be going to take part in the Newton's Great Grand Contest. It is a 2-hour contest, and you can give it in the C++, C, Java, Python 3 and JavaScript. Talking about the Newton School is a platform which train you to get placed in a top MNCs with a huge package. They do not charge any single penny before your placement. If you get placed in a company with more than 5 lakh per annum CTC, then only you have to give such a small amount of money, and until and unless you don't need to pay anything. There are lots of courses in the Newton School that is absolutely free of cost, and you can see this in the Newton School website. Here there are the introduction to web HTML, Python, and this is all. And here we are going to know about the introduction to Python, the Python series. And this is the Python by Anurag Sarkar. It is in Hindi, and you will get English version in the code Adda. So let's start to the video. In the last video I told you to install the Visual Studio. Some of the systems does not support the Visual Studio, or your system is not good, and if you want to access the code anywhere, so you can use a brilliant IDE that will be given by the Newton School. Yes, so go to the Newton School website, link in the description box below, and log in and go to the playground. In the playground there are three types of playground are available, three types of IDEs are available. First one is the project playground. In this you can create a project type of background, just like something for the web development and all. Second one is the markup. In this you can only create the HTML and CSS file. And the third one is the algorithm. If you want to perform any programming language, then just go to this one and algorithm playground. So we are gonna know what is the algorithm playground. So just click here and create. You need to do the title. So what is our title? So our title is the input function in Python, input function. Okay, input function, and the description is to learn about input function in Python. Okay, function, function in Python. Okay, so just go and create this. Okay, now it is loading. It is loading. Yes, now you can see the brilliant IDE. It has the custom input command, and you can see the output and input here and there. Clear? So here you can select any programming language. We are going to perform the Python, so just go and scroll down, and you will get the version of the Python. So let's go with the version of 3.8.1, and let's start. Okay, so this is the simple of the Python, and here you can perform anything. This is just like a Visual Studio. Here you can go and resize the screen if you want. Okay, cool. So now let's learn about what is the input function in the Python. So just let me do this, and yeah. Okay, so in the last video we just write the hello world command. So just write the hello world, and if you want to run, then click here and run the code. You will get the output here. Okay, yeah, this is here you can get the hello world output. And yes, so now if I want to print anything, then this is. And the main important thing in the Python is that you need to make it the indentation. Suppose if I press the tab in the starting and then I want to write it here, then you can see we will get a error, and the error message you can get it here. This is the print, and the message is that indentation error and expected indent. So Python is basically all about the indentation. So if you want to, there is no any like semicolons or the endpoints, just a indentation separates the Python. So just take a look and be aware of this one, and you will not get any error. Now print hello world. If I want to print the to string just like hello world again, and then I want to run this, and you will get the output like the to hello world line by line. Okay, just control C and let me paste control V, and let's see now what will be the output. We are getting an error, and the error is that the print functions are in the same line. We can't do like this, so we have to press enter and then we have to write the code, and this is the standard out, and every line is like a hello world. This is the first method to print the hello world. Now the second method, if you want to print the multiple lines in the hello world, let me comment this so that it will be helpful for you. Let me comment this one. I will share this entire notebook in the description link. So if I want to concatenate the two string, then hello world, it's uh, Piyush here. Okay, it's Piyush here, and then I will just run the command and you can see I will get hello world, it's Piyush here. Okay, this is how. Now I want to get the input from the user. I want to get the input from the user, that what is the age of the user, what's your name. So I just want to print something like this, print hello world, it's me, and then I want to print the name of that person. That is, the name of that person is like Ramlal or the Spider-Man or something, whatever the user write. Okay, so the first method that I am going to, for the first message that I will going to print is that please enter your name. Okay, I want the user to enter his or her name so that it will be easy for me to write that name. Now if I want to store the name of that person, then I just want to use the variable. Don't worry, we will talk more about the variables, what are the variables. So just create a variable like a name. I want to store the person's name in the variable name, and I want to take the input from the user. So input from the user, as the function says, as the name says, that is the input. So there is a function in the Python that is input, and just this is all about something like this. Now you have to print, please print, you enter your name input, and I just want to print the name of that person here. So just plus name. This is known as the concatenation. Now if I want to run this code, and then you will get a please enter your name. Okay, I want to enter his name, so let me give the custom input here. The input is that my name is Piyush, and then again I want to run here. So please enter your name, hello world, it's me Piyush. So it is like whatever the input you want to give, just give the input here and then run, and hello world, it's me Piyush. Well, I was just want to say that like the Ramlal, I just there is a person, there is a Ramlal, and he want to access our website or something like this. So hello world, it's me Ramlal. It's like simple one. So I just want to tell you that there is another way of writing this message here. So instead of writing extra print message, we can write the message to get the input in here, just like please enter name. Okay, so if I run this, then you can see that I will get a message like please enter name, and it will be come in the same line, that is hello world, it's me Ramlal. That is simple. So this is another way to write any simple thing like this. So this is the way how we can take input from the user. So let's build a code, build a program so that I can write a user's name, age, and his country name, so that I can print the name of the person, the age of the person, and the country in which he belongs. Okay, so I just need to take the three variables. We just need a name, I just need a name, so name, age, I just need a age, and the another one is the country. Okay, in three of these I just write the input. Please enter your name. Input. Please enter your age. Okay, now next one is input. Please give your country. Clear? Simple as that. Now we have three of the methods which are taking the input from the user. Just type a message here that like print welcome to code Adda. Okay? Now that's it. Welcome to code Adda. Please enter your name, please enter your age, and please enter your country. Give your country. Now after getting all these things, I just want to make it in a message that hello mister, your age is this and you belongs to this country. So just write like print hello, then space, then plus name, hello, this, and hello Mr. Ramlal, your age is, you are okay. So hello Mr. Ramlal. Sorry, you can write any message. It's not compulsory that you should write this one. You are some years, name, age, years old, and belong to country. Clear? So this is the method. Hello Mr. Ramlal, you are itne years old and you belong to this country. So I just need the three input, name, age, country. So if I run this code right now, then you will get the three input. Welcome to code Adda. Please enter your name, please enter your age, and I just give the input for the name. So I just have to give the input for the age. So my age is like 21 and I belong to India. Clear? So just run this and you will get please enter your name, please enter your age, and please give your country. So hello Ramlal, you are 21 years old and you belong to India. Clear? This is how we can give the method. We can perform the input method. So this is how you can perform the input method in the Python. There are some other ways. So we will talk about the variables, we will talk about the data types, and we will talk some other things in the next video. So this video is all about the input function in the Python. You can take any input that's like name, age, and performance of anything. So if you like this video, then please do subscribe to Code Adda, and I'm your programming friend Piyush Kant Mishra from the Newton School Educator. And please don't forget to register yourself in the Newton School Grand Coding Contest to win the exciting prizes worth rupees 5 lakhs, and this is absolutely free of cost. So that's it from this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye, take care, and happy learning, happy coding. Bye bye.